Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain you the chapter A Triumph of Surgery. In short, the children, as I have already explained you this chapter, so let's study about the main characters of this story. So Mrs. Pumphrey, she was a wealthy woman and she loved her dog too much. She gave him some little extras between meals to build up his energy and body, like malt, cod liver oil, and a bowl of Horlicks at night. She gave him lot to eat, but no exercise. Once the dog Tricky became ill, and she was worried and made a frantic call to Harriet, who was a vet. Means Dr. Harriet, who was a veterinary surgeon. James Harriet, the same veterinary surgeon, already gave suggestion regarding Tricky's balanced diet, but she never followed it. So the doctor or the veterinary surgeon noticed that Tricky is overfed by Mrs. Pumphrey, but she did not pay any attention, and then the Tricky was admitted to hospital. So when the dog was admitted to hospital, he was completely recovered and transformed into a hard muscles dog. James Harriet treated the dog without medicine or surgery, as Mrs. Pumphrey thought that James Harriet would do the surgery of Tricky, as Tricky had bloated like a sausage. But it did not happen. The doctor put Tricky on water diet for 2 days, and slowly Tricky recovered. Mrs. Pumphrey was happy and filled with gratitude towards the doctor. She thanked Harriet and then said that it was a triumph of surgery. If we talk about the main things about this chapter, so first is that Mrs. Pumphrey gave her dog a lot to eat but no exercise. Once the dog became ill and she was worried and made a frantic call to Harriet, who was a veterinary surgeon. James, or Mr. James Harriet, the complete name, already had given suggestions regarding Tricky's balanced diet, but she never followed it. He was a veterinary surgeon. He was shocked to see Tricky hugely fat like a bloated sausage with a leg at each corner. He advised her to cut down on the sweet things. As Mrs. Pumphrey was a rich and emotional lady who has a cute pet called Tricky, she loved him so much that she overfed him. Tricky had put on a lot of weight, which made him lethargic. He was not able to move a lot, and he used to just sit at one place. When Dr. Harriet saw the fat dog like a bloated sausage, he was shocked. He made a plan and told Mrs. Pumphrey that Tricky needed treatment for an ailment. Ailment means disease, which was possible only in hospital. The doctor knew that Mrs. Pumphrey would not be able to keep the dog on a proper diet. So for a fortnight, it means 14 days, the dog was admitted in the hospital. So children, this story has been written by James Harriet. The subject of this story is a pet dog which is spoilt by its owner. The owner indulges her dogs so much with food and other comforts that the dog has become overweight and cannot even walk properly. Finally, the dog has been taken to a veterinary doctor who treats the dog without using a single medicine. The dog is left with all other dogs so that it can play and get the much needed physical exercise. After a period of enough physical activities, the dog loses much of its fat and became hale and hearty. So, children, this was a short explanation about the chapter. Hope you will understand. Thank you.